maglalaro tayo ng mga damdamin. Ha?
Ala, damdamin.
May paglaro.
Love on the clock. Do you agree or disagree? No second chance after the first date if feeling hindi magwo-work out. Agree? Sino nag-agree? Wala nang second chance. Love on the clock. If hindi type physically, will not pursue further. Agree. Eh, ba't mo i-date kung hindi mo pala type physically? Eh, di ba yun naman ang unang kaya ka na-attract? Kasi physical, maganda siya, maganda yung mata niya.
Let's be real.
Diba?
Physical looks will get your attention, but personality will make you stay.
Love on the clock. Kung sino nagyaya ng date, siya ang magbabayad. Hello? Duh. Kung sino nag-agree, disagree. Ay, disagree lahat.
Feeling ko boys dapat yung magbabayad sa first date.
Bakit?
Kasi kami yung, madalas naman boys ang nag-a-ask sa first date. So, kami yung nanghiram nung time nila.
Ako feeling ko dapat it's always half 50-50.
First date?
Even if it's first date. Kasi I mean, you went there, so gusto mo din. So dapat, di ba? Kasi hindi naman yun na pumilit eh. You went there.
I feel like it's preference.
So it's supposed to be 50-50. It should be fair all the time. It should be fair. You meet everyone halfway.
Love on the clock. Relying on dating apps to meet potential partners. Agree?
I agree, kind of. Because in dating apps, you can actually treat it as your training ground. Treat yourself as a flirting athlete. Para before you get to know people in real life, organically, alam mo na kung paano sila kausapin. So, that's a nice potential.
Uy, first time ko narinig yung, hindi ko alam kung matanda na ako, athlete sa flirting?
Yes, why not?
May ganon?
Yes, as long as you flirt with intention, with a nice intention.
Flirt with intention. Anong intention mo pag-flirt ka? Please,
Landi responsibly pa rin.
landi responsibly.
Yes.
Tama naman yun. Love on the clock.